Okay, we're by Lowe's. See how he reacts. Come on. Let him go in. See the doors. Say hello. Nixon.
You are a cutie.
Go in. Come on. Check out the store.
First saw the miniature, so I saw speed.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna be miniature.
No. He's the regular one. Yeah, we're in Lowe's. 3-month-old Doberman. Not afraid. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Where'd you get that?
1 minute. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. He's in Lowe's. He's doing pretty good. It's only 3 months. A little over 3 months, maybe. Barely over 3 months. Ernie's in the store. I'm going to do a quick video. Walking around. Good boy. Nixon. 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 You good boy. Good boy. Wow. Sorry. Come on.
Make like a chase.
No picking anything up.
Yeah.
Like to see where the tools are. Come on. Come on. See anything you like? See the motor. Hey, how you doing?
Oh, you're a puppy. Yes, you are.
I just wanted to take him in Lowe's quick.
You're quite the puppy.
Get him used to a lot of
Sorry, I ain't
sound.
got a treat for you. I wish I did. You're a
That's
pretty
Nixon.
dog. And you're pretty docile for a puppy, let me tell you.
Yeah. I want him to hear the noises and stuff.
Oh, that's good. That's the easiest way to get him socialized.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good boy, Nixon.
Good boy.
Thank you.
Yep.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. You see the multi-tools. All right, come on, let's go down here. Come on. Come on. See shopping carts? Come on. Come on. Very good for a 3-month-old puppy. Just checking things out. Come on, we'll go outside. We'll end it outside so we're not on this thing too long. Nixon! And I can go see the multi-tools. Exit, come on. Well, there he is. Nixon at Lowe's. You want to check out. There you go. It opens the door for him. See how simple that is? Come here. Come here. Ah, oh, at Lowe's. That was a good one.